So in this video today we're going to be showing you how one of the older Gainsborough Stanza showers comes out and we can retrofit it with one of the newer Slim Mono models. So firstly what we're going to do is remove the current Gainsborough. So here the connections are on the right hand side and the new Mono is a right entry only product. So now we're going to fit the Slim Mono product. So you want to get it into position, covering over the existing screw holes, and then mark. Pop your screws in first. Making sure you've hung it correctly. For tightening your compression fitting. So with this fitted like this, it should cover over any existing screw holes you had from the previous model. Or then fitting your electrical connections. Once you're happy with your connections, that's when you'll then install your cover. So we have our 4 fixing points for the cover, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. And there we have it, a new Gainsborough Slim Mono in replacement for an old Gainsborough Stanza.